area. Oh, wow.
What are you saying?
Well, look at that.
Well, hey, Biff.
Hey, stranger.
How's it going?
Look at you. You are like booking. Did you chainsaw it yet?
Huh? Yeah,
Huh?
we'll take a look.
Yeah, give me the tour. Yow! Oop.
This corner, but
Just a sec.
this corner was kind of blown out, dropping into this hole.
Oh, look at that.
So we just banked it and hardened it.
Sweet.
Yeah.
I know how he does this now. Wow. Look at this.
I don't know if you remember this guy, but it was sitting on a kickstand, and we got this one flipped back up.
What's the rope for?
Oh, it's holding the trail sign.
Oh yeah, look at that. Okay.
So when this thing dropped back down, it was just nothing but exposed gnarly roots. So we had to build up over it, which worked because I needed a dam here to get water off.
That's a lot of trips with a dump bucket.
Oh yeah, I think we're at 18 tons of rock.
Oh my.
Wow. Between up here and down there.
Wow. Whoa.
Yeah.
Wow. You got rock down there now that needs to be moved?
I've
you all
got another load of rock coming up right now, as a matter of fact.
Ah.
Yeah, he's going to be dropping off in about 45 minutes.
I'm thinking.
I'll go home.
I brought work boots this time instead of these.
Oh, nice.
My wife took me to get a pedicure, whatever the foot thingy is.
Yeah, where they...
And I took a look, and all the hair is stripped off the bottom of my legs from walking around in these boots. It's like, oh man. So I said, well, yeah, if he's still up there.
Wait. Were you counting on that hair for something?
I was. It keeps me warm because I don't wear pants. I'm a shorts wearer. Yeah, look at that. Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to, once I'm done hauling in rock and messing stuff up with heavy shit, I'm going to finish off all these spots with some finer rock. Kind of make the rolling dips a little better
Nice.
after I'm done with the heavy equipment.
Well, I was going to post the work party video today, but this morning somebody said, hey, let's go back up to Walker. I said, okay. The video can wait.
Sweet.
Yeah, I had a lot of trouble with it because my camera was recording at 1/8 speed.
Oh.
So you and I are moving real slow. And I had to learn how to do a whole bunch of video editing and change the speed of cameras.
Cool.
Nice. Look at this. I don't know.
It's gone through a lot of changes in this last month.
This, just in the last week.
Yeah.
Look at this. Ah.
ORV money hard at work.
Ha ha ha. Wow. Hi, my little friend. Did it stop working again, or?
You remember this part? This was all
yeah.
just like a V trough.
And you got rid of that stump?
We dug out, got rid of that stump. That's what all this shit is, all this old growth stuff.
Oh yeah.
Yanked all this out of the ground. As soon as I got to the bottom piece of the old growth stump, I hit a natural spring.
Oh,
No.
Yeah, just started gushing right out of the side. Just turned this all into a mud hole.
Oh, is that what happened? through
Yeah.
here? So what'd you do? Block it?
I ditched it so that it's down to this little drainage right here.
Yeah.
And it's only running that one spot. And then now that it's done raining, I'm scraping the mud off so that I can pack the rock over without it turning into
I hear
slush.
you. You got a lot of work to do before you're ready for rock then.
Well, actually, I just dropped a piece of rock here. I just cleared this spot for
And just
rock, and I'm
push
just
it?
working my way back, scraping the mud off. And then at some point, I won't be able to scrape the mud off. I'll need to have somebody with a candy cart, and then I can slot mud into the cart, and then we'll run it back up here and dump it in there.
Oh, okay. Well,
Yeah, you guys have fun. I've got an hour and a half of around before I need
Okay.
help.
well, we're actually done. We're or beat.
Okay.
So I'm exhausted.